Okay, welcome back, fellas, ladies, gentlemen, kids, dogs, cats, whatever you are. So here we are. We've got some shingles busted up, broke up, and we're just looking for water leaks. So just FYI, what you would like to do is, first of all, you don't want stuff like this. This is the other installer, which, I mean, you know, it's just off about a 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch. But if you look down the roof, it don't look too terribly bad, but you can tell that the roof is kind of going like that. You know, as it is the way people install shingles, you get what you pay for. So anyways, as we're looking for a roof leak, by the way, you want them like this. You want them as close as possible. Of course, you know, when you're doing this, or you know, when you're going back and fixing what you want, you know, what we have to, we kind of stuck to where we have to do kind of close to what they did, because if you go changing it up, it's going to look really messed up. But you want to try to get as right as possible. So as I was showing you guys, bringing the shingle up, taking the shingle up, that's what happens if you're not careful. See, you can see where I busted the shingle and it's left on there. So your tar on your shingles, which is that tar line right over there, here it is. What you want to do is try to keep your nails up above this tar line, or in this tar line, preferably up above it a little bit, so that when it gets hot and it glues down, it will cover your nails. See that one right there? It's covered. That one there is covered real good. You can tell that one's rusted, so that means that water's been hitting it a little bit. That one there is nice and shiny still. That's 3-4 years old, 5 years old actually, and it's still dry. Never seen any. Here's another one above the tar line. See how the tar line there has made a seal and stopped the water from reaching up? That one too. So as we're looking around, we see most of them are in good shape. But I'm thinking these are our problem shingles here. Let's see where they are at. So these are okay. And go down here a little bit. We're looking around. Like I said, we're looking for the problematic areas. This one could be, no, not that one. This one could be a problem, maybe. As you see, it's below it. And with the blowing rain, it could have blown in there, especially if this was not, you know, down that good and didn't make that seal. That blowing rain could run up there and run into the hole of the nail and follow the nail down through the sealing. We got a few little spots that may or may not be good. That one was one of them. And what we did is we just went down and kind of looked at all of them. This one's not nailed down. But that's not a problem, because I mean, it is a problem that it's not nailed down, but it's stuck. So I'm not gonna go and try to change that one out. I might put a nail in it just to make sure it's nice and stuck, and leave it as that. But so as we tore up some of the shingles here, as you see, we have to replace from here. We're going to replace this whole shingle here. We're going to come up here. We got a little break right there. We're going to replace that shingle all the way over. We're going to replace this broken one here, of course, all the way over, and we're probably going to do that one there. There was one other one. That one there is kind of low. That one there is really low. See how the line is right there? It hasn't even got no bead of sealant on it. See, the sealant has not even touched it. So we're definitely going to take this one up and check it. And as soon as we check, you know, get up underneath the shingles, you can actually see if there's water up underneath your on your paper, your felt paper, and that's another sign to tell you, hey, we got problems. So we'll come back after we tear some shingles out, and we'll show you guys an end result there.